All right, my friends. So this is a simple strategy, a scalping strategy that you can use on your trading. So I just want to share with you guys, and as you can see on my screen here, I am currently on a trade USD card, and it's just the basic following the rules of this strategy that I'm able to take this trade, and I'm on a rolling profit right now. So what is it? The strategy just it involves three indicators, and two of them are custom indicators. So if you look at this top here, you see this symbol here, symbol of a finger and a finger. Okay, so this one gives an alarm. It's a custom indicator, and this is the EMA moving average. That's the exponential moving average. All right. So this gives us a trigger on when to take buy or sell trades. So, but once it gives you the alert, because it will give a sound alert. Once you give the sound alert, there are some other conditions that must be met. For example, this one here, this one below, is a volatility indicator, and then this one simply just tells us whether the market is having enough volatility for us to take the trade, or we should still hold on. So what I do basically is that once the number is above 1, let's say once it's a positive integer like 2 3 4 5, then and I get the signal from this alert indicator, but the final confirmation is from the EMA, that's the exponential moving average. So of course, if the exponential moving average is telling us that the market is in a downward trend, then we are only going to take sell signals from this indicator, that's the major one. This, and you can see it is just displayed on the. It does not repaint. It doesn't repaint. You can see, so it doesn't repaint. So, but we only take the signal from the indicator if with what the exponential moving average is saying. For example, now if you see, let's say at this point of a trade, you can see this red here simply means that it's telling us that we should take a sell trade. Alright, but if you see a signal here like this, then we can't take a sell trade because the EMA is below the price, meaning that it's telling us that the market is still going upwards. So we only take a trade if the signal from the custom indicator tallies with that of the EMA, and that was the reason why I took this trade here. You can see I took this trade, and I'm still on the trade, and I'm still going to get to the end of it, but I just want to show you guys. So the volatility here, like I said, is once the number is a positive integer. Now you can see now the number is 5.1. So once you have negative values like minus a minus in the front, do not take a trade because it means that the volatility is very low or the market is consolidating. Okay, so finally, before I just the concluding part of the rules is when you want to take a trade on your MT4 like this. Of course, you can see the broker I'm using is FPS. If you want to take a trade, you want to make sure that you are trading far away from the news release, because if you look at the market here, this is my Forex factory. You see the time of the day now is around 12:13 p.m. Nigerian time. So there's going to be a major news release, let's see by 3 p.m. So you want to adjust your Forex factory to the time. So if you click on the time on your Forex factory, it's going to give you it's going to synchronize the time to that of your computer system. So you want to make sure is that if I just reload my Forex factory here, you're just going to see so you want to make sure you refresh your Forex factory, and then the time is well synchronized to the time of your system or your location. Okay, so make sure to always check the Forex factory. For example, today is Friday, so the next trading day will be on Monday. That's Monday, April 28th, if I'm correct. All right, so make sure that once the market is going to get towards a news release, do not be on any trade so it doesn't affect the profitability of your trade. All right, so you can implement this trading system on different currency pairs like your AUD USD. You can see, so I just simply use it to take trades, and that's what I'm using to trade on my account, and then AUD USD, Euro USD. Right, so the system is available. We can make it available on our website is soget.com. So if you are a Nigerian watching this tutorial and you have an account on Suget, so you can just we can make the custom indicators available. Of course, this EME is on your MT4, which is free, but the custom indicator, this one that displays the arrow like this, all right. So it doesn't repaint, it does not repaint, it just gives us. And I've taken the trade, though I took the trade late. I took the trade just around here. I was trying to prepare for the video, so but I'm just going to wait until it comes. So I set my take profit. Okay, it works on the 5 minute time frame, though you can also use it on 15 minutes, all right. But on the 5 minutes is where I found it most useful. It's for scalping strategy, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So you can see, if you want to use it, just make sure to set your stop loss and take profit just towards the nearest resistance or stop loss. The indicator is about, especially this one that gives the alert signal, is about 97% accurate. It doesn't repaint out if you have it. So but the rules again is once it gives you the signal, it's going to trigger an alert for you. So you don't just take the trade. Confirm from the EME that the signal direction is along the direction of the EME. So when this one brought the signal here, of course it's the EME is above the price, so confirm to me that the market is in a downward trend. Okay, so that's just what we do. Then before you take your trade, ensure that there is enough volatility in the market by using this volatility custom indicator that is at the bottom here. As long as the value is a positive number, then you can take a trade. But if it's below zero, then just hold on until the volatility on the market increases, so you don't just waste your time on the trade. Okay, so what I'll just do is, I don't want the video to be too long. I'll just pause. I'll fast forward the video so you just see, so you can see the outcome of the trade. So but before I do that, so like I said, for our Nigerian viewers who are watching this tutorial, if you want to get the custom indicator, then though not yet on the site, but we are going to available on the website. Our site is called soget.com, and you can see it's fully loaded on the screen here. So you want to register an account if you are new to the website for a Nigerian, so you can be able to download these custom indicators. And if you are a non-Nigerian or a foreigner watching this tutorial and you would like to get the indicators, then you can reach out to us on Telegram. So we have you can chat with us on Telegram, and we'll just discuss with you how you can get the indicators. But our Nigerian viewers can sign in on their Socket account to get the indicators. And of course, if you also need to trade with a broker, you can use this broker. So this strategy works based on a very low spread broker, and I use FBS, and the spread is just, it's around 1 pips on the standard account. So that's what I'm using presently for this strategy. So